So this is Jason with an inspection tip. So today I'm looking at a circuit breaker box. So what you can see here is a very nicely circuit breaker box. But what I want to talk about is double tap wires on breakers. So this is not an approved thing. You should never have more than one wire going into each breaker in this panel. So if you ever see two wires in a breaker panel inside a breaker box here, if you had a second one inside the same box here, that would be an issue and you'd want to make sure to check that out. The only exception to that rule is square D, which makes these breakers here, and they've got them labeled here, so they have an approved. So here you have on this label, you see a single wire right there with the AL/CU. That means either aluminum or copper can have one wire conductor in this panel. Also, they have this symbol here with two wires and the letter CU after it, which means that if you have two copper conductors of the same grade going into this breaker, that is okay and approved, and the only approved way to do this. No other breakers, and you do not mix any type of wires, whether it be copper or aluminum or different sizes, into these breakers. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.